morning and welcome to Friday Celebration Assembly. We have got lots of certificates for the amazing work you are doing. From our nursery we have Sebastian and Leo. Sebastian sent us a lovely video introducing himself, well done, and Leo taking part in every life lesson, well done both of you. From Ash class, a certificate for Amelia for making a fantastic model of the 100 Deca bus, well done Amelia, and to Eddie for his very confident contributions to the live maths lessons, well done Eddie and Amelia. From Hornbeam, Lenny for an absolutely fantastic story map, well done Lenny, and Ruby for designing and creating a fabulous space rocket, well done Ruby. From Willow class, Arabella for completing lovely work on dragons, well done Arabella, and Jerry, always being happy and enthusiastic during live lessons, that's really, really lovely. From Sycamore, Sheila, enthusiastic and contributions during live lessons, well done, and Ruben, fantastic attitude towards friends and your work, well done Ruben. Beach class, Paige, excellent effort in completing all of your tasks on Google Classroom, well done Paige, and Yara for learning how to navigate your way around Google Classroom so quickly, well done girls. Oak class, Aaron for creating an amazing PowerPoint based on Charles Darwin, well done Aaron, and Daniel S, excellent effort in all live lessons. Well done everybody for all the amazing work you are all doing. We will be emailing this certificate so you have got it at home. Have a fantastic weekend and I will see you next week.